If you're looking for the best ice rollers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Esarora Ice Roller ForFace and Eyes. If you are struggling with puffy eyes, wrinkles, sagging face, acne scars, and irritated skin, the Esarora Ice Roller for the face and eyes is the perfect all-in-one solution for you. This cold therapy tool helps tone your upper arms, stimulate lymph circulation, improve dry skin, shrink pores, and relieve muscle pain in the neck and legs. This roller does not require batteries. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Latme Ice Roller. The Latme Ice Roller helps shrink pores while promoting blood circulation to depuff your skin and imparts radiance. It also enhances your skin's ability to absorb the nutrients in skincare products. You can use it to revitalize your skin, relieve eye fatigue, reduce facial redness, and alleviate neck pain. This cold therapy massager can also aid in calming migraines, muscle pain, sunburn, hot flashes, and fever in menopausal women. The number 3 position is held by Botanicals Ice Therapy Massage Roller. Whether you are struggling with stretch marks, cellulite, or redness, the Botanicals Ice Roller Face Massager can help you out. Just 5 minutes of massage with this roller during your morning skincare routine tightens the skin, evens its texture, shrinks pores, and imparts radiance. It also visibly reduces cellulite and stretch marks. Next, at number 4, we have Teenitor Beauty Ice Roller. The multi-purpose ice roller by Teenitor Beauty is made of skin-friendly ABS plastic and is safe for sensitive skin. It has a detachable head, which does not take much space in the freezer. The ice roller offers instant pain relief, soothes burns, prevents wrinkles, eases pain, shrinks pores, calms waxed skin, and alleviates puffy eyes. The number 5 position is held by Fronnor Ice Roller. The Fronnor Ice Roller is a therapeutic skincare tool that revitalizes your skin. It boosts blood circulation, imparts a natural glow, and effectively reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This ice massager provides relief from redness, pain, and sun damage via cold therapy. It also helps your skin better absorb nutrients from moisturizers, oils, and serums. You can use it daily for instant relief from muscle pain, migraines, sunburn, and insect bites. The number 6 position is dominated by Inotka Luxe Ice Roller. The Inotka Luxe Ice Roller is a high-quality device that helps you achieve smoother, brighter, and calmer skin. It helps reduce redness, dark circles, irritation, headache, puffiness, and swelling. This ice roller also soothes sunburns and sore muscles. It sculpts your face by reducing pore size, tightening your skin, and boosting blood circulation. It also helps stimulate the lymphatic flow and removes toxins from your body. Moving on to the next at number 7 with SpanlaSKincool Ice Roller. The SpanlaSKincool Ice Roller is a mess-free way to revitalize your skin every morning. 5 to 7 minutes of massage with this roller reduces the signs of aging, boosts skin elasticity, speeds up recovery from cosmetic treatments, soothes aching muscles, and reduces swelling. It also contracts blood vessels to tighten pores and diminish varicose veins. The number 8 position is held by MAANGE Ice Roller. Remove dark circles and bags under your eyes with the MAANGE Ice Roller. You can freeze this ice roller before using it on your face to shrink the pores and promote blood circulation quickly. The ice roller may effectively calm the pain caused by migraine and muscle strain. It prevents wrinkles, makes you feel refreshed, and may make your face appear thin, improving the complexion. Next, at number 9, we have Kitsch Ice Roller. The Kitsch Ice Roller is made of stainless steel and gives you a relaxing salon-like experience right at home. This massager stays cool longer than its plastic counterparts, ensuring better results while depuffing the face. The cool stainless steel surface boosts blood flow to the face, stimulating lymphatic drainage and removes toxins. It alleviates under-eye bags, muscle soreness, and throbbing headaches while brightening your skin. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Marzahar Ice Roller. The Marzahar Ice Roller is a multi-purpose facial massager that features beads that retain temperature for a longer time, ensuring better results during the massage. A few minutes with the roller shrinks the pores, boosts blood circulation, and refreshes your skin. It also reduces puffiness, calms inflammation, and revitalizes dull, dry, and dehydrated skin. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.